look at this traffic. Holy crap. Welcome to the evening time here in Ho Chi Minh City. Just motorbike after motorbike after motorbike. That is crazy. Wow. When you are feeling a little bit under the weather, you know, you have like a scratchy or sore throat, you need soup. And here in Vietnam, there's so much Vietnamese soup, noodle soup, you know, pho and stuff like that. So I'm in search for something that's gonna help my throat a little bit. I don't know why I got this scratchy feeling. My guess is it's from my Airbnb where I'm staying. The air quality inside is just so horrible. Actually, last night it just felt like gas fumes for some reason. I think it's because they park all the motorbikes inside, so the fumes were just kind of filling up the building. But I'm in search for some good noodle soup to make my throat feel a lot better. What on earth kind of dog is that? That's the craziest looking dog I've ever seen. Wow. Let's take a walk through the Benton market at night and see what it's like. I think they're actually getting ready to close down. Well, it's safe to say that the Benton market is still a little bit alive. Still a lot of people shopping and stuff and eating, but definitely a lot of the restaurants have closed down their cooking and they're just kind of selling what they have left. So I'm gonna continue on the street, just keep walking around. I love walking around at night because it's so vibrant. You see all the colors on the buildings, the signs are lit up neon, and everything, it just feels way more alive than it does at any other time during the day. One thing in rainy season here in Vietnam that you do not do is you do not leave the house without a poncho or an umbrella. What did I do? I left without an umbrella. I said, oh, I don't think it's gonna rain, it looks clear, it's sunny at that time. Sure enough, the downpour came and I got stuck in the rain. It's still raining now, it's sprinkling lightly, but it was just pouring hard, like the water was flowing down the road. Everyone's getting soaked, everyone pulled over to get their ponchos on and everything, but crazy. You know, one thing that is funny, even though it's really raining heavy, the ladies still ask you if you want a massage. So you could be completely soaking wet, like drenched head to toe, and they're still gonna give you a massage. Well, after being soaked from head to toe and walking everywhere, I decided to stop at one of the most famous pho places very close to the walking street. And here, I've eaten before, I ate here about a year ago. It's super, super tasty, and the price is a little bit higher than you will find at some of the little tables that are on the side road and stuff. But here, I mean, it's super good, super recommended. The name of it is Pho. I don't know how you pronounce that, but that's it. And I just ordered a bowl of pho with beef brisket and meatball, which should be pretty good. They've already brought out the fresh vegetables. These look really good, really fresh. A little bit better than some of the ones I've had the past couple days. And here's a tip for you guys if you don't know. They always give you this, a wet wipe. If you use it, thank you. If you use the wet wipe, you must pay extra for it. I think it's like $1 or something to use it, maybe a little bit less. So keep that in mind, because if you do use it, they'll add it to your bill. Thank you. Alright, before we put some veggies in here, let's try out the broth. Oh boy, so good. So hot though, it just burnt my tongue. Stuff probably smells so good. Not really sure what this one is. Alright, we got some greens in there. Let's put some bean sprouts now. Few peppers. And of course our lime. Here we have brisket. So tender. It's so juicy still with all the broth saturating it. Man. brisket is definitely one of my most favorited meats in the world. And it comes with this meatball. Some are whole meatballs, some are half. Almost forgot that chili. Alright, with the spice added. Those are perfect, cooked to perfection. Nice and slimy, easy to chew, goes right down so quickly, so easily. There's also some chopped onion in there, looks like some cilantro. Oh, not cilantro, I think it's green onion actually. I forget the spice name. Just look at that, wow. So that's 100% rainy food, a rainy day food. I just got some chili and some hoisin sauce to dip the meat in. This makes the meat taste extra good too. This has a lot of flavor. Let's get a meatball here. Dip a meatball in it. Slippery. Oh my God. If you've never tried hoisin sauce, you gotta try it. It's so good. You may think chili sauce isn't spicy. No, it's not so bad. It's like sweet chili. Man, I can eat meat every day like that. Add more bean sprouts, love them. Also have some garlic, good for the health. I can never get enough of the crunch of these vegetables in with the noodles. I love eating vegetables, but I never eat as many as I do when I'm here in Vietnam. Love the meatball, it's so easy to chew. It's so interesting though because they remind me of like those tofu balls or those fish balls. Similar texture, just a little bit different taste because it's beef and they're boiled. One more big bite here. So phenomenal. Well, that's the place right there, right on the corner, right where the street goes down to the walking street and then comes up here to the park. Super good meal, a little bit more expensive than your average Pho Bo, but can't go wrong for 79,000 dong and all that meat and all that broth, especially when you have a sore throat like I do today.